I'm drunk and confused. I tried to be patient with you. Hey, what's good, guys? What's good? What's good? Hey, yo, what's good? It's your boy, Quality, and you already know where I'm at. I'm on my roof with it. Basically, what's gonna be happening in the next couple clips, or the rest of the video, I should say. There's supposed to be this event tomorrow that is happening downtown tomorrow, which is called Art Walk, and I'll be attending it with a lot of my friends. I'll give you a few, like Matthew Delfos and my other homie Damani and a couple of the other guys. What's happening there is there's an event where they're basically like catering to a lot of different stuff. Like, hold on, I'm gonna put on my phone. I think I have it on my phone right now. So they're catering to things like film and digital, animation, cosplay, gaming, skate park, and virtual reality. All of it are going like tomorrow. Like, see here. All of that going down tomorrow, and you best believe your boy's gonna be there. I'm definitely going there to skate. Definitely going there to see what this skate park looks like. Even though I know it's gonna be like something they build up there, but still, I'm down to go skate it with a couple of homies because it's always a good time. I can't think about it too much. I just gotta go with it, go with my gut feeling, go with the flow, and hopefully everything will work out just how I like it. Hey yo, check out this little sweet little thing. Of Jamaica. If you ever get the chance to come visit here, why not? Come out, come visit here, enjoy the scenery, enjoy the culture. I don't know. I know I don't speak in Jamaican too much, but I'll try my best. So hey yo, enjoy the rest of the footage. This is like tomorrow. Hopefully I get to do everything I set out to do today. Tomorrow, and everything will come out good in the video. So here it is. Oh, let's get it.
Jumping that high.
That's really sick. Ready for the final. The board slap me as a dog, you see?
Yeah, that's well long already.
Man, you want to do anything just... Yeah, bro. Yeah? The last hour is sick, dog. Oh, really? Yeah, man, can you see? When your foot stay connected to the board, even if it's 1 in 10 it happens, you know, say it happen more consistently, you see me? Yeah. So that is it. It's like proof of improvement, you see it? Yeah, I feel it, man. You get me? So all you have to do is just try to figure out the feeling there, and just replicate the feeling. You see me? But as me I say, before, you look like you jump left the board. Yeah. Now the board not really left your foot, and you still go with the height there. So yeah, now you see, yeah, I get you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, man. Nice shoes. Is it? Is it?
Yo, big up Bridget.
Yeah.
Quan, you see me?
Yeah, haha.
Quan.
Haha.
He's a fan. Not number 1. Ready?
Yeah.
Right now I'm ready to say what's up. LAB alone can look cool with an empty cup. When we just done.
Drop some bars to the beat, you know what's going on. We got our man Shama, Beckford, you know. Pineapple head.
I'm correct that yeah, them one, you see me? Ah! Not your man, you see me? It's not your man, although he's a fan.
Damn.
We just don't surf on all the time. Just drive down in our Hilux van.
Which part there? Which part there? Which part
We have
there?
about 50 man.
Which part there? Let's see it. Let's see
Right
it.
there on the back street. Stop watching it. Fit like athletes.
Yeah. Give us something, Ronald. Give us something for your camera, Ronald. Give us some bars, Ronald. Peace.